Come on, guys, stay back. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, guys, get back. Take it up in the air then, right now. The potato launcher?
No. Dude, I'll catch it if you shoot it in the air.
Right.
Where's Laura? Oh, yeah, try to hit Tyler.
Oh.
Hey, where's Laura?
Hey, you think Ray would work?
Watch your pants, shove it.
Your knee,
Laura.
Ready?
It missed them. Can you take her?
Heads up, hold your paddle. Cover your face.
Oh.
Another shot. I need a baseball.
Wait. Get Ray.
You need more than that.
That one's down there.
Watch, Krista. There's moose and hairspray. Make sure you grab one. There's what? Moose and hairspray. Okay.
That ain't gonna work. Here, wait, I'll move down. Move down, man.
It's gonna smell pretty now.
Ready? Jonathan, that's the beaver from the party.
That's a perfect shot.
That's hairspray shot.
I don't know, there we go. Pretty fast.
Round 60.
No, I'm not running back.
Oh! Oh! That way! He was in that spot at some point.
Shooting the potato.